What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I got a really short video for you today. I just want to show you the best frozen wrap that you can buy. So here it is. This is the finished result, and this is from KPMF. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I just thought I should share it because I like the look of it so much. This color is matte iced red titanium, and look at that sheen, that satin look, satin chrome, frozen, iced, whatever you want to call it. It looks amazing on this car. And this is a cast film. You don't have to mess around with calendared films, going crazy trying to install them. In this vent area, I had to do an inlay, but look how well this material seams together. You can barely see that seam that I put there. And then coming around on the quarter panel side, you can see, look at the way the light hits it. I mean, this color, it looks so good. And they have like blue and green and purple. So I'm going to try and convince some other customers to do those colors, I think, because it looks so good. So that's the wrap, KPMF matte ice red titanium, and I'm just going to leave you with some final shots of the wrap.